I mean, really, floor's in pretty good shape. There was some surface rust here, but I mean, that's solid, man. And look at that tunnel. Shiny after the rust preventative comes off of it. And then a little almost burner to the ground with the exhaust too close to the floor incident. Pretty obvious here. There's a lot more rot in the front. That's a problem. So I think I'm going to do the right thing and get some floor pans and just glue them on there. Yeah, that's rough. It's amazing my foot hasn't fell through the damn floor.